Hello, guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, February the 15th, 2024, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. And the last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku number. This will be number 8012. 8012. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Yeah, should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. But it's indicated with 3 stars. Puzzle. Yeah. No, 4 stars Sudoku. Yeah. So it's indicated with 4 stars. So it should be a I need 30 minutes or more to solve this puzzle. Is it really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you in this puzzle: are there single boxes? I see here 2 single boxes. Single boxes always a 1. Next question: do we have here double boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. No dual boxes here. How about triple boxes? I see here triple box. There's triple box. 1 and 2 are filled in. So 1 box left should be the 3. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it can be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Same for here. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check. No quadra boxes here. Well, then the following step is to following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. Then the following shape. How about the L shape upside down? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, rotated L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Here, another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see the shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape, I believe this one will be the last shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is, no, 4 shapes. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Well, this box is connected with that box, so we saw 1 right off. these 3 boxes. So while the 1 can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes. So while the 1 can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And this box can also but not be a 3. So the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes can be a 1. These 3 boxes, 1, 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 5. Those 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left. 4 numbers, 2 and 4. 2 and a 4, okay. Well, this box cannot be a 2 and a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box can be 3, that box can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we have a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 5, 4 and 5 is connected with that box, so 4 and 5. And this one is connected with that box, so 4 and 5. But we already have a 5 here. Can't be 5 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, so 4. I've marked this box with 4 and 5. We have a 4 now, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. The other pair in this area are the numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Then, I think this box should be a 1, because can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 2. Then this box cannot be 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 2 in this triple box. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 3 is connected with that box. So we're so 3. Alright. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. I think this box should be 2. Because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And then these 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be 3, that box can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2 is connected with that box, should be also 2. And these 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Yeah, also 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there, so 1 digit left in this L-shaped area for number 3. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 11 minutes. Told you, cannot be a 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, 1 star. And faster than 30 minutes, should be a 0 stars. And we solve it again, And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the binary puzzles. Playlists for the Tectonics, a.k.a. JigsawSudokus. Playlist for the ladder Sudokus. I've also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer Sudokus, and also for the samurai Sudokus, aka quintuplet, all kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those puzzles that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic first day. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday, the last working day of the week. Until then, bye-bye for now.